We have division of integers. In the first example, we have negative 45 divided by negative 9. When we have division of integers, first we check the signs. We have negative number divided by negative. When we divide negative number by negative, the answer is always positive. It's like the same rule like for multiplication of integers. When both of numbers are negative, the answer is positive. So we will have positive answer, and we have to divide 45 by 9. So this is equal, positive sign we don't have to write, 45 divided by 9 is 5. Next example, again we have negative number divided by negative. Negative divided by negative is positive, and we have to divide 92 by 92. So positive sign we don't have to write. 92 divided by 92 is just 1. And the last example, the first number is negative. Negative 50 divided by positive number 10. When we don't have sign, it's always positive number. So we have negative number divided by positive. It's the same like positive divided by negative. The answer is negative. It's the same rule like for multiplication. When we multiply two numbers and one of them is negative, the answer is negative. When we divide two numbers and one of these two numbers is negative, the answer will be negative. We have to memorize this. So negative divided by positive, the answer will be negative, and we have to divide 50 by 10. So negative sign we have to rewrite. 50 divided by 10 is 5. So the answer is negative 5. This is my solution.